Welcome back to my channel, Delightful Underscore. You're going to see us dye my hair from brown, black to this beautiful color of the Cream of Nature to red. Stay tuned. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Shout out to Keith for doing this for me. Bam, bam, bam. Continue watching. Why you starting in the front?
It says to start. I'm following. Look, it says you want me to start in the back. Look, it says. Read it. Read it.
Application full head. Apply color mixture immediately. Mix in part into 4 sections for ease application. Apply color mixture to dry, starting at the front. Use the tip of the bottle to section the hair in 4 sections. Can't do that because we don't have a lot of hair. Boop, boop, boop. Okay. Alright, so this is the end result of the hair color. It looks pretty, I was like brown auburn. I might try to put in another dye to see, instead of doing the 1 box, maybe do like 2. Originally have the Cream of Nature Exotic Shine Intensive Red 7.6. Went back because I couldn't, the color didn't come out as planned as you've seen in the video. I couldn't find this color. So we end up going with the Dark and Lovely Fade Resist. So you're probably like, those are big dramatic differences. I feel like this one I will probably get more payoff of a color. I kind of like both of them, so we're gonna go try to rock and look about 2 of these. This is $3.94. Vivacious red. So we have the intense red. Now we have the vivacious red. Show y'all how it looks coming soon. Okay, so now we're back. Of course, I told y'all we had a little heifer. So again, we started off with the Cream of Nature Intensive Red 7.6, and we ended up going off for Dark and Lovely, the Vivacious Red, not $3.94. Oh, face. Okay. So I just rinsed out my hair. This is the color that it is. It's damp. I'm going to go ahead and put, we conditioned it. Put some oil in, put in my Taraji P. Henson Ride or Die because we know that we love Ride or Die here. Spray that as of now. I would say, like, with it, I left it in my hair for about an hour with the hair dye per Maxine request, and it burned a little bit. I would say when the last dye I had left it in pretty decent, pretty much the same for the most part. Like, after a couple days, like a week or something to wash, then it probably get bounce back to its real kinky. But this is my hair pattern for real. Like, it's still the same, just a little vibrant color to pop it, lock, and drop it. Okay, pop, lock, and drop it. Pop, lock, and drop it. Pop, lock, and drop it. This is the end result. You know, full natural, full vibrant, as we can see here. And yeah, so go ahead and tell me your thoughts about this hair color, her colors, what you think. I'm probably gonna dye my hair in the next couple of months because I just want to. So if you have any ideas of what color we should go for next, go ahead and let us know in the comment box below. All right, so don't forget to stay unapologetically you in all that you do. Peace, love, and elbow grease, people. Bounce.